There are a couple of ways of, first of all, calculating the market opportunity. There are two approaches of doing it. One is the top-down approach, and the other is the bottoms-up approach. In top-down approach, you typically look at a study. For example, McKinsey has said this, or your uncle has said this, that this is a $1 billion market. A typical bottoms-up approach is, while you're calculating the market, when you focus on the market size, and then you say that maybe you're just targeting to kids who are between age of 16 to 21. Your product fits that age, right? You figure out what is the geographical area that you are targeting, how many kids there are, and how many kids are probably in the metro, and figure out what is going to be your market size based on what you are selling for and how much are you selling for. So I would say do a research in both, figure out, do a top-down approach, and figure out the market opportunity from a top-down approach. If you can't find any study by anyone, then delve into a bottoms-up approach where you figure out your geography in which you will operate, figure out the right demographics of your customer segment, and the price of your product, which can obviously be decided, but you can have a price of the product, a margin that you will get on each product, and then calculate the entire market size of that particular market. And then you create a financial plan which says, I'll get 10% of the market by the first year, or by 2 years I'll get to the 10% of market. Typically avoid saying things like, it's a multi-billion-dollar opportunity, because this is the biggest companies doing that. The competition has done this, and they have operated. So Me Too ideas are typically the best to avoid. Saying, I would create the next search, the next Google, and since it's a multi-billion-dollar opportunity, that's the market size. If you do your research right, if you represent your research right, saying this is the niche that I want to operate in, or these are my differentiation for this market opportunity, it is a much better read than just saying, since a big company is operating in this space and they are getting multi-billion dollars, I will operate in this space as well.